Boost your metabolism, boost your life. Follow these 7 tips to increase your energy and reach your fitness goals. Hello and welcome. In today's episode, we'll be discussing 7 ways to boost your metabolic rate. Your metabolism is the process by which your body converts food into energy. A faster metabolism means that your body burns more calories and energy, which can help you lose weight and maintain a healthy weight. The first way to boost your metabolic rate is through exercise. When you exercise, your body burns calories and increases your metabolism. You can try a combination of strength training and cardio exercises to maximize your calorie burn. The second way to boost your metabolism is through your diet. Eating foods that are high in protein and fiber can help you burn more calories because your body has to work harder to digest them. The third way to boost your metabolism is by staying hydrated. Drinking water can help you feel full and reduce your appetite, which can help you consume fewer calories. The fourth way to boost your metabolism is through sleep. Getting enough rest can help regulate your metabolism and keep your hormones in check. The fifth way to boost your metabolism is through relaxation techniques such as yoga or meditation. These activities can help reduce stress and anxiety, which can negatively impact your metabolism. The sixth way to boost your metabolism is by getting some sunlight. Vitamin D, which is obtained from sunlight, can help regulate your metabolism and improve your mood. The seventh way to boost your metabolism is through strength training. Building muscle can help increase your metabolism because muscle tissue burns more calories than fat tissue. And there you have it, folks. 7 ways to boost your metabolism. Incorporating these habits into your daily routine can help you burn more calories and maintain a healthy weight. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.